This is a 97 Porsche Boxster, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the sway bar links. This is a very easy job, and these parts are relatively cheap. You can pick them up for anywhere from $25 to $45. I'll put a link in the description on where you can get these guys. If you have one bad sway bar link, you should replace both of them. If you're just doing maintenance, replace both of them as well. And to do that, what you need to do is you need to elevate the whole back end of the car or the whole front end of the car, depending on which ones you're doing. The procedure is essentially the same for the front or the back. The part is different from the left to the right. You need to elevate both sides at the same equal height, because if you only lift up one side, you're going to put some tension on the sway bar, and that's going to make it very difficult to remove the link and put the new link back on there. These are the tools you'll need. You're going to need a 1/2-inch torque wrench to put the wheel back on, 3/8 torque wrench to torque down the nuts for the sway bar link, 18 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and 17 millimeter wrenches, some 18 millimeter and 15 millimeter sockets. The sway bar link is located right here. There is a 15 millimeter nut and an 18 millimeter nut that hold it on. You're going to use a 17 millimeter wrench to hold it steady as you loosen the nut. Take out the old sway bar link, match it up to the new one. They are different, left and right is different. So we make sure that we've got the right one, and we do. Now I'm ready to torque these down. The 18 millimeter nut torques down to 63 foot-pounds, and the 15 millimeter nut torques to 37 foot-pounds. And there we have it. The new sway bar link is installed. I've got the 15 millimeter torque to 37 foot-pounds. The 18 millimeter is torqued to 63 foot-pounds. I hope you found the video useful. If you have any questions on how to do this, feel free to leave those in the comments. If you have any suggestions or tips on how to do it faster or better, please leave those in the comments as well. Have a great day.